Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Unico hotel that's under construction in Lilliput, Montego Bay. Now this is a massive development for a hotel that has only 451 rooms. But this is a luxury hotel, so the rooms are going to be huge. And some of for instance, the ground floor rooms will have swimming pools that you can swim in into the room. So this hotel is, to me, the fastest moving construction site in Jamaica. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think it is the fastest moving? And if it's not, which development do you think is moving faster than this one? So leave your comment in the section below. If you think another development is moving faster than this one, leave the name of that development in the section below. Now this entire property is just the Unico, which is 451 rooms. But to the right of this development, they are going to build a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which is 1,000 rooms. And to the left of the development, they are going to be building a Ritz-Carlton. All three hotels are owned by the same brand. But I am just impressed with how fast this development is being done. And it's not being done by a Jamaican company. And it's not being done by China Harbour Engineering Company or another Chinese company. It's actually being done by a company out of the Dominican Republic. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Construction of the Unico Hotel Montego Bay in Jamaica commenced with a groundbreaking ceremony on November 25, 2022. This luxury, adults-only, all-inclusive resort is set to feature 451 rooms, all offering different ocean views. Ground floor rooms will include semi-private swimmer pools, while other rooms will have outdoor hydro spa tubs. The resort will also offer amenities such as an in-room minibar stocked according to guest preferences, an espresso coffee machine, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, and 24-hour room service. The development is expected to provide over 1,000 construction jobs and approximately 600 permanent positions once operational. Additionally, there are plans to construct 1,000 houses for hotel workers in partnership with the Housing Agency of Jamaica. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about how fast this development is going up. And I think this is the fastest moving development or construction site in Jamaica. So if you think another development is moving faster than this one, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.